Morning guys. Well, if you was watching the video yesterday, I showed you we had a very lucky escape. I found a damaged patch on the back tyre of my Range Rover on the 405. In all fairness, you know, when I bought this car last year, the tyres, they weren't all that clever then, and I always knew I'm going to have to replace them, but I was really surprised yesterday to find that bald patch, and it's a very good job I wasn't driving like I normally drive, because it could have been serious. So yeah, the problem on the 405, which I found, is a patch just on this tyre here, and that's really nasty. I mean, look at that, that's gone. That's downright dangerous. There's not a lot of tread in it anyway. Again, in all fairness, these have all got different tyres. That's got a Pirelli on it. Not sure what this one is, but it's got a cross contact tyre on it, but again, I wouldn't say it was the best tread at the moment, and I've done over 15,000 miles over the last year on these tyres, so they were definitely getting ready to be swapped over. This is a cross contact, so yeah, the front ones are the same make, but again, you know, they're coming to the end of it, guys. And on the rear, this is sort of half decent, but this is a triangle tyre. That's probably about the best one out of the lot, to be fair. But I'm changing them all out to brand new tyres. I've gone for economy because I can't afford the price of some of these really nice Pirellis and things like that. I'm not that rich, guys. So what I've done is I've ordered four new tyres. It's going to work out about fitted. So I'm just on my way up to the local tyre supplier now, a tyre fitter, which I always use, and we're going to get them swapped over. It's 20 to 9 in the morning, the appointment's at 9 o'clock, and I've got to be back soon because I've got to take Manisha back to the train station. She's got a train at 12:30. So I'm going to set my little camera up in my little camera holder just here in the front of the car, and let's get going. So now I've seen this bald patch, guys, I can't unsee it. I've only got to go about a quarter of a mile or half a mile to this garage, but you know, in the back of my mind I'm just thinking the tyre's going to go bang, and I'm so glad I found it and that I wasn't doing my usual 80-90 mile an hour. Sorry officer, under 70 mile an hour as I usually do. So found that right at the time. I needed to find it, and I've dodged a bullet, you know. Somebody up there must be looking over me. So let's get this car fired up. Let's get up there. So we're going to Selecta tyre in Ripley today. I take all my cars to Selecta, to Chris and his team up there. Absolutely outstanding service and really good quality. So Selecta tyres, guys, if you're in the Ripley, Derbyshire area and you want that peace of mind and a decent price, that's where we're going. There are other places here. I mean, you've got Eden Tyres, you've got, you know, there's a couple of other tyre companies, but Selecta are 100%, in my opinion, the best. I'll show you Ripley as we're driving through. It's not too far, but I'm taking it very steady this morning. Just passing the old Lidl now, the posh supermarket. And this is the centre of town very soon. Not too busy traffic wise. For this time in the morning, everybody's on their way to work. That's the old NatWest Bank. It's like most banks in the UK, they've all been shut down now. Can't get bugger all done. It's not a very big place, Ripley, at the end of the day. It's not all that big at all. It's a small community. Decent kebab shop on the left. There's a library on the right. So it's a pretty okay sort of place to live, to be fair. Just got to wait to clear these traffic lights at the top of the road. It's always the same. Believe it or not, we're halfway there already. I'll show you Selecta. I don't think they'll let me film in there today, but you'll get the idea. So the tyres I'm going to buy, they're called Royal Black. Royal Black tyres. They're a Chinese make. But these days, because it's Chinese, it doesn't mean to say it's shit. Most things are Chinese anyway these days. Never make these lights. Oh, today's the first. There's a bit of traffic here. Yeah, so Royal Blacks, and the Royal Black Adventure 2s. So these are a 22 inch. It was like £128 each, but Chris has said he'll do everything for £470. There's the boys all turning up for work by the looks of it. And this is Selecta Tyre Centre in Ripley. Cracking place. Morning, chap. Where do you want me? Booked in for 9 o'clock for four tyres swapping over.
Yeah, so if you want to leave it there, because we're going to put it onto this ramp here.
Yeah.
And you go into reception and get all booked in.
Sound, alright. Is it alright here, is it, for now?
Yeah, it's alright there for now.
Sound. That's the boys looking after me. Right, I'll get it booked in. And away we go. So here we are. He's just about to take the car in now. These guys are normally really fast, really professional guys. You're gonna love this place. So it's actually Selecta Protyre. It's still got the Selecta branding up there, but they're going to be rebranded quite soon. Selecta Protyre in Ripley, Derbyshire. Pretty much on the main road. So you can see that's the main road into Ripley. And over there, that's going out of Ripley, so towards the Protyre. So this is where you'll find them guys, right here. These guys, I mean, I've been using them for over 7 years now, and they always look after your vehicles. They're really good at what they do, and I really trust them. They did my racing cars, they've done all my high performance stuff. It's all gone to Selecta. They're very careful with your kit. Very careful. Even down to the guy guiding him in, look. It's one of them jobs I've been putting off, but I know I needed to do. So it's in the right place now. Shouldn't take them too long. It's literally about 10 to 9 in the morning. Yeah, so Selecta, I mean, they've got some really nice bays. Everything they've got's quality. And he'll do checks on even the old tyres that I'm having changed and taken off. He will do checks on them. And as you can see now, I mean, these guys are so thorough. So thorough. Really good ramps. It's a very tidy workshop, to be honest. You can even see the way the jacks are laid out. It shows you a little bit of the quality. They don't just leave jacks chucked everywhere. Everything's got a place and everything's in its place. A bit all rangy up in the air. First time I've seen underneath. But, he's having a good look around everything now and just making sure everything's logged. So all 4 tyres are being changed anyway. And they're long overdue for a change, guys. Long overdue. That's another thing I love about Selecta Protyre. They go all over the car. I mean, the guy now is doing a full scan on it, and he's they're just full of information at the end of the day. It's just pointed out that the handbrake's not calibrated properly, which is like fine, fair enough. And then they found a bit of a damage on the caliper on the side it's stood at now. So it's pretty apparent. This is much more than you get when you go anywhere else just to get tyres changed. Look at the suspension rubbers, they seem to be all right on both sides. But you see on the caliper over there at the top where the yellow wires are, what's happened there is the clip's been snapped off and they've put a pull tyre wrap on it just to hold it on, and I think that's probably why it's coming up with the calibration problem. But underneath, on the airbags and the exhaust system, she really doesn't look that bad. That side's got a pull tie clip on it as well at the top, right at the very top of the red bit. So we'll have a look at that when I've got some time. But on the whole, she's not in such bad condition. Well, it's a lovely sunny day. We've got a little bit of blue sky today, guys. And the guys are working well. They're halfway through one of the tyres already, so it shouldn't take too long before they've done all of them, I should imagine. Yeah, the guys, he's just told me there's a little bit of an exhaust leak underneath, and there's a little bit of a gearbox leak and engine leak, the oil. Not much, but again, you don't get this service anywhere else, guys. This is what you're paying for with Protyre Selecta. Tyre on the left side as you're looking, the rear tyre. The young lad came out and said it was still good, did I want to keep it? And it was quite good. But I told him don't bother, you know, just change them all to the same tyres. Let's just have 4 brand new ones, regardless of whether it's good or not, because it's the same model, the same tyre, the same tread pattern, and I just feel a bit better knowing that they're all the same type. But on the whole, you know, the car's not in bad condition. I'll take a look at those back calipers at some point, and I'll take a look underneath at the exhaust leak and the oil leak. But as I said, it doesn't leave anything on the drive, so it's not actually that bad a leak. It's just a weep. They always say if you own a Land Rover, they don't have oil leaks, they're just marking the territory. It seems to be a Land Rover thing. But on the whole, for 2015 and the money I paid for it, which wasn't that much, you know, I'm quite happy with it. And it's not given me any major issues so far. So from what I've just seen underneath, I'm not particularly bothered. I'll have a look at the handbrakes. The brake pads are in good condition still. And when I get time to get it right up in the air, I'll crawl underneath and I'll try and sort the exhaust leak out. I've got a welder, I can do a little bit of welding if need be, if it's just a bit of a split somewhere. So there's the first tyre going on. Very shiny and new. The other thing I really like with this place, they're using a rattle gun to initially tighten up the wheel nuts. And the one thing I do like about them, they're not going balls deep with it. I mean, they're using it and then they'll finish it off with a torque wrench. I think it's about 28 newtons on a Range Rover. But that's another thing you'll notice with these guys, you know. They don't just go hammer it with a rattle gun, they do it properly every time. This is the difference between professionals and amateurs, guys. That's a really nice tyre. Let's get in there. 1 down, 3 to go. Another thing, and the little things matter, guys. The young guy came out to me, he said, look, he said, I've put you some black balancing weights on your tyres, on your wheels. They look better than silver ones. That's so nice of him, because obviously it's got black shiny wheels. He didn't want to put silver weights on there, so he's put me black ones on. How nice is that? It's the little things that count, guys, you know, even down to the aesthetics. It's another reason I really like this company, Selecta, Protyre. So that's the 2 rears done already. They just want torquing up, but he's made a really good job of them, and I really like the fact he's put black weights on them as well. I mean, there's a lot more meat on them nerves, guys. They're much better. So that's the back ones, just want torquing up, tightening up, and it's moving on to the front now. I don't know what time it is at the moment, but it hasn't taken them very long at all to sort this out. He's just moving the jack over to the front, and he'll jack the front of the car up. Yeah, up she comes. The tyre monitors on these, they monitor in 2 stages. You've got sort of medium duty and you've got heavy duty. Mine's always set up for medium duty, and the tyre pressure is normally 37 psi in the front, 35 at the back. I think they're just a little bit higher at the front because of the weight of the engine, guys. There's number 3 going on, guys. So 3 and 4 are not too far apart. Should be done quite soon. I was just talking to one of the lads. There's going to be a big makeover here soon. We'll give it a revamp. They should have had it last year, but it got put back. But it's just the aesthetics of the place. I mean, I remember this when it was bright yellow when I first moved to Ripley. It's just got a bit faded now, and there's a few letters missing. But yeah, I remember this when it was brightly painted, when Selecta Tyre used to own it all, before Protyre took over. You know, but again, a bit of paint on the walls, things like that, doesn't matter. What you're paying for, guys, is the quality of the work and the way the guys work. And it's particularly hard for them here because they're maintaining that quality, keeping the quality going, but they've got to do the throughput. They've got to get the machines in and out quick because they're pretty limited to car parking space, guys. You know, so that's a bit of a time constraint they've got. So balancing really good work with speed, you know, it can be quite hard for these guys at times. That's it. But that's how they roll here, that's how they work. I see he's setting the torque wrench up. Should be about 128 Newton meters. I should imagine they'll do all 4 tyres, put them all back on, take the weight off, put it back on the suspension, and then they'll torque it up when there's actually weight on the tyres. That's normally the way it should be done. But yeah, really happy at the moment. We've got 3 brand new tyres on out of the 4, and I just heard the 4th one pop, so that's not far behind. They've had a new ramp. That one, if I remember right, it was set into the floor a little bit, so they've had a brand new 2-post ramp put in. I see the concrete to the floor up. That used to be set into the floor slightly. Cascos, I believe that's a decent make, so all 3 ramps at the moment are Cascos ramps. Yeah, he just wants a bit of touching up, a little bit of paint, a little bit of titillation, or whatever you want to call it. But on the whole, you know, this is a really good place to come, guys. So the time's 9:41 at the moment, so a little less than an hour. And they're just putting the 4th wheel on now. Everything's been balanced and checked and fitted. And they've been under the car, they've identified a couple of little oil leaks, an exhaust leak, a handbrake calibration issue, a bit of an issue with one of the plugs on the driver's side rear on the caliper. You're not going to get that at most places, guys. All they're interested in is getting the tyre off, getting it changed, getting it back on, getting it out the door. So again, Protyre, Selecta, you know, every time, guys, every time. I'm not getting anything from this. I'm getting no reductions, no cheap reductions for promoting these guys. It's just an honest, unbiased opinion from somebody who's been using them for over the last 7 years. I brought all my cars here, I brought my wife's car here, my friends come here, and they're just highly recommended, guys. And to do 4 big 22-inch tyres properly and a little bit of a delve underneath the car within an hour, you can't really fault that, can you? Okay, guys, so it's been less than an hour, and they're just torquing up the tyres, the wheels, and wiping off any of what they call soap from the black tyre walls, and down she comes. Less than an hour, 4 brand new tyres, balanced, fitted, with an inspection underneath the car as well, and a few little minor faults identified. Look at that, mate, 4 brand new tyres. I'll go through the price and everything with you when I get home, but for now he'll just bring the car off the ramp and we'll get back and get a cup of coffee. There she comes. You'd be surprised just how much I paid. There goes the suspension going up. Good old Land Rover. So it's just little things like that the car's needed. And we always needed the new tyres. I knew that from the day I bought it. But now she's got 4 brand spankers on there. I'll keep me going for a bit, guys. I love my car again now. Perfect. Okay, so we're back home. True style of a Range Rover. So the guy at the garage said it needs a parking brake calibration, the handbrake calibration, if you want to call it that. And true to life, when I got back in the car, there's a yellow triangle and it's going parking brake needs calibration. Put foot on brake and actuate handbrake, and there was a flashing symbol. Well, I've just put my foot on the brakes and then actuated the handbrake a few times, and believe it or not, the fault's gone away again. So typical bloody Range Rovers for you guys. I can see, hang on, who's this? Mrs. C here with a nice cup of coffee for me. Right, let me just shut this off. I'm coming in, babe. Yeah, faults have gone now. No faults anymore. There we are. 4 new tyres. Yeah, I need to get some for Mrs. C's car at some point, but she doesn't need them just yet. So there we are. 275 B40 by R22 heavy duties, and these are Royal Black or Royal Explorer 2s. Absolutely loads of tread on these now, guys. 4 good tyres. 4 absolutely brilliant tread tyres, and the handbrake fault seems to have gone away as well. Happy days. Let's see what we spent, guys. Okay, so 4 tyres, £83.80 each. That's £335.20. Computer wheel balancing, 4 of those, £10.17, so 40 quid. Casing disposal costs, I suppose that means getting rid of the old tyres. Rubber car valve, 0, because these have got the tyre pressure ones. Environmental charge, £4.16. So yeah, really good. Paid by card, and it came under, if you can see that, £471.08. But that's having the peace of mind of knowing I've got brand new tyres, guys. £471.08. Not bad at all. So these are the XL tyres as well, which means they'll carry more weight. Really good. And then he did tyre advice for me, which doesn't really matter because I've disposed of the old tyres anyway. I've had all 4 done, but they've told me all my tread. And he's done a brake pad, brake disc, drum report, caliper cylinders, springs, clips, checked and okay. He has put electric on the rear caliper connectors damaged for both sides at the rear. But he's done really, really well. They've told me what my brake discs thicknesses are. So I've got 34mm on the front, 25mm on the rear. Brake pads, shoe reports, I've got about 8mm on the front left, 6mm on the front right, 6mm front rear, 6mm right rear. So that's not bad. It doesn't need any attention on the brake discs. Exhaust advice, small leak on the centre pipes, thank you for that. No problems with suspension, which is good because these are air suspension and they cost a bloody fortune. No problems with the battery. That's it. So Dan, Reese, thank you very much, fellas, out there at Selecta, or Protyre as it's known now. protyre.co.uk. I'll put a link up. A very happy customer as usual, especially at that price, guys. Typical bloody Range Rovers, they keep flagging these faults up. Let's just start the car again and see what happens, just out of interest, because obviously coming up with that fault earlier, it spooked me a bit. So let's foot on brake, start it up, and little handbrake light will go out. Well, it should do when I take it off. There we go, no issues. Tyre pressure in monitor set for light load. Handbrake's on at the moment, so if I just put my foot on the brake and put it into drive, that little handbrake light should go out. Drive. There we go. Absolutely no faults. It's sorted itself out again, guys. Well, that's it for me today. In Ripley, Selecta tyre. Most people know it as Selecta. It's actually Protyre now, guys. So links are going down below. If you're in the area or you're around the area and you want a decent, and I mean a decent tyre service or wheel balancing or any other little services to do, like battery, suspension, just pop along and see them, guys. Absolutely outstanding service, great guys, very knowledgeable, and they care about what they do. So thank you, Protyre, thank you for the work you've done today on the Snow White, on my little beast, and I'm a very happy customer. So thanks again, guys. Also thank you to the new subscribers to the channel, and to our normal subscribers, our long-standing ones. Thank you for the comments, and thank you for just being there, guys. Really appreciate that. I'm going to get myself a full English breakfast now, because Mrs. C's just offered me one, and then it's 10 o'clock, so at about 11:30 I'll take Manisha back to the train station so she can get back towards where she lives. That's it from me. Peace out, guys. Have a great day.
Sabihin kong paano